Hello everyone. Today I am talking about paper airplanes history. Chinese engineers are thought to have invented what could be considered the earliest paper planes around 2000 years ago. But these ancient gliders, usually crafted from bamboo and paper or linen, resemble kites more than the dot shaped flights that have earned numerous Guinness World Record in recent years. Now there is a big question. What is the science behind paper airplane? When you push a paper airplane forward or any airplane for that matters, this is a type of force known as thrust. Meanwhile, air is pushing back on the plane which is called drag. While a plane is flying, air moving over and under the wings, pushing it upward, while the gravity from the earth pulls it down. This is a theory of a paper airplane. Hope you guys like, subscribe my YouTube channel and watch my complete video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.